Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Today we're diving into fantastic Burmese chicken Sibyan, a delightful concoction infused with poppy seeds and coconut goodness. Before we dive in, shout out where you're tuning in from today. Always awesome to see the foodies from around the globe joining in. Now let's kick off this culinary adventure. Firstly, grab 2 chopped onions and blitz them in a blender with a 1/4 cup of water until it's as smooth as silk. Oh, and mix in 5 green chilies halfway through that blend for that spice kick. Next up, in a pan, pour a 1/4 cup of oil and let that onion blend, sizzle away for a quick 2 minutes. Pop on the lid and let it work its magic on medium heat for about 10 minutes until that oil starts saying hello. Let's craft our spice mix. Grab your trusty spice grinder and get ready to blend. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 black cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of whole cumin, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Grind it all into a coarse mix. This recipe is all about finely ground spices, no whole ones in sight. Now time to bathe our chicken in this flavors party. I've got a fine rooster here with its skin on. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, and add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Don't forget to throw in our spice blend too. Mix it up real good. Back to those sizzling onions that have now turned into flavor central. Add in all that marinated chicken. Don't leave any goodness behind. Fry it all up for about 5 minutes until you're hit with an explosion of aroma and the chicken gets a tantalizing color. Traditionally, this dish is made with duck, but today we're rolling with the rooster for the sake of convenience. Let's level up that richness. Add in 2 tablespoons of ghee, Now, pour in 4 cups of water. Since we're working with a rooster here, it'll take a bit longer to cook than your usual chicken. Bring it to a boil, cover it up, and let it simmer on low heat for a good 2 hours until that chicken is tenderly soft. Once it's cooked, let's thicken that lovely liquid. Crank up the heat to medium-high and let it simmer till it's gorgeously thick, just like this. A luscious, velvety gravy. Let's garnish it up. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and a dash of poppy seeds. Oh, the aroma is out of this world. Time to serve up this masterpiece. Trust me, this dish's flavor profile will knock your socks off. It's a bit more effort, but oh, so worth it. Pair it up with some coconut rice for the ultimate experience. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey today. Hope you loved it as much as I did making it. If this recipe rocked your taste buds, show some love by liking, sharing, and dropping a comment below. And hey, if you're into these culinary escapades, consider hitting that subscribe button for more awesome recipes. Cheers and happy cooking, folks.